Hey guys, Josh here from TrailBuilt and TrailBuilt Off-Road TV on the YouTube. Today we are in front of you guys highlighting this Teraflex 2.5-inch Sport ST2 suspension with Falcon. These are 2.1 series shocks. Now this Teraflex Sport ST2 suspension system delivers true street and trail performance capability in a dependable and basically a maintenance-free package. Developed for the Jeep enthusiast looking for a stable highway commute and a comfortable trail performance ride, the 2.5-inch Sport ST2 suspension system features preset front lower control arms that optimize steering geometry for improved highway handling. Plus, all Sport ST2 suspension systems feature coil springs and bump stops that are optimized for this 2.5-inch lift height, as well as tire and component clearance. Teraflex Sport ST2 suspension systems can be installed on a Friday, wheeled on a Saturday, and even driven to church on Sunday. All right guys, that's all I have for you today. If you have any questions on this Teraflex 2.5-inch kit, go ahead, drop them in the comments below, let us know. You can find it on our website, trailbuiltoffroad.com. This whole kit here runs for about $16.49. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That way you guys can hold on to the ride with us. As always, we appreciate all of you for watching. I'm Josh from TrailBuilt Off-Road. We'll see you guys next time. We're not recording, we're just waiting. Holy sh! See how I must be used to this. See how easy I just conform to that? I'm like, you got me. I'm finally caught.
I don't think I have my keys here.
Oh, that's awesome.